family, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day out there. I hope y'all digging my new frames, you know. Little Versace, you know what I'm saying. At any rate, if this is your first time here, I'm Miss T. Welcome to the family. I'm currently doing a Mediterranean diet series. So, I'm trying to help you guys stick to your diets with some tasty recipes. Today, I'm going to be making some Mediterranean tacos. Yes, I'm doing it vegetarian style, but if you're missing the meat, you can add a little grilled chicken or grilled fish, you know, do you. So guys, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below and stay tuned for the video. Alright family, we are ready to go. I got everything all prepped, so y'all check out the ingredients here. I have some red onions. I have some romaine lettuce, or you can use green leaf lettuce. Got some Roma tomatoes. Those are quarter. And then I also have some cucumbers. So, you know, it's real Greek-like, you know. First thing I'm going to do, come on, little cameraman. I got my son helping me out today, guys. So, uh-oh, look, I'm spilling stuff. Okay, we're gonna add our ingredients. Yeah. To a bowl here. I have some Greek dressing. You can either make this at home, or, you know, you can buy it off the shelf like I did. I'm gonna shake this up so we can get all that good stuff. Get all the good stuff in there. Yeah. You smacking your lips, Ashton? Yeah. Let's get a close up on the bowl. Up, 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 up. Yeah, that's good. We don't want to drown this, guys. We just want a little splash of flavor. Yeah. Ashton licking his lips. Okay, so there's that. Somebody hid my Kalamata olives. Yeah, so I forgot to add that to the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add them now. Come on, camera, let's get a close up on that. Get these little babies in there. Don't forget the Kalamata olives, y'all. They are really tasty. Now, guys, I have pita bread, and then I also have just plain tortillas. So, I'm just gonna warm these up a bit. I have a little olive oil here. Just gonna do one side of that. Brush the olive oil on there. Then I'll pop these in the microwave. I have a little paper towel here, and you can bake these or you can put them in the microwave. I'm just gonna put them in the microwave. So what you want to do is just sprinkle a little water. Sprinkle a little water on the paper towel, and then we'll pop these in the microwave for a few seconds. Real easy, real easy. I have some hummus. Now this is optional. I know everybody doesn't like hummus. I have roasted garlic hummus, but if you can find the artichoke, man, that's even better. So I'm just gonna lightly spread a little hummus on here. I don't think my kids don't like it, but I do. Okay. Yeah, just like so. Just gonna do that with the pita bread. I'm not gonna do it with the tortillas. If y'all can smell this garlic, oh my God. So, can we get a close up on our tacos here? Because we are done. We just gotta build this taco. Just that simple, y'all. Just that simple. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. getting it everywhere but the taco. So I have some feta cheese. We'll put a couple of crumbles of that. Oh my goodness. Bomb. And then guys, I also have some tzatziki dressing. So if you want, you can use tzatziki sauce, but I got the dressing because it's mayonnaise based, but it's more vinegary, so it's not as bad for your diet, you know. Got some lettuce here. Oh yeah, everywhere but the taco. Okay, so then I'm gonna drizzle a little of that. Oh yeah, oh my God. I can't wait to try it. Let's do a taste test. Oh my God. That is bomb. It only took us about 5 minutes to make this. Okay. I hope you guys like this recipe. I know I sure did. I'll be putting this in my diet. This is really good. I want to thank my helper, Ashton, even though he forgot to call him out of olives.
I didn't do it. You probably did.
At any rate, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, if you have any questions or comments about the recipe, leave them down below. And I will see you next time. Peace.